What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is going to be a continuation to the project that I've been working on lately for the past week actually. I've been trying to get ready for the HondaFest event that is happening on July 1st, which is tomorrow, but you guys are going to see this video maybe down the road, you know, until I'm done editing and stuff. So today I'm going to be finishing a few touches. I'll show you in a little bit. The car is on the covers right now. I don't want to get it dirty for the event. I'm going to finish those touches today, and I'm all set for tomorrow. I'm very excited for it. First event ever for this car. So I'll go ahead and show you what I'm working on today. Let's get to it. So I had a spare set of rainbow calipers around, and I repainted them because the ones on my car right now, they lost a little bit of the color and they're not really matching all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. I refinished them today. All I have left to do is just install the Brembo decals. I don't know if you can see that, but they're right here. So I'll go ahead and install those next. I'll pull the car back, take the cover off, and that way we can start working on that. So a quick view right here. They look great, the ones on the car right now, but they're not really that deep red that I'm looking for. So that's the reason why I refinish them. That way they can all match. So as you can see right there, they're a little like more of a lighter candy red, whereas these are like a much deeper in color. So this is what I'm looking for. Although these look great, but the driver side is not really matching the passenger side, so we're gonna go ahead and change those out. Alright guys, so here we have the car all ready and set up, so we're gonna start changing out the calipers. We got all the tools. I still gotta get a few more, but you know, for this you just need basic hand tools. So let's get started. Alright, so it seems like we have just the line back here that we need to remove, and then just the two hub bolts. I don't know if you can see it right there. In order to remove the brake pads, you need to have like some sort of punch. You know, you can just get something like this, very pointy, so you can push out the pins. So all you need to do is just grab it. Just like that. Get the other one. You got your pin right there. Just remove it, put it on the side. Remove this right here. And remove the last pin. Pull out the pads. Right, so we have our pad out of there. This is a 14mm right here that you need. Make sure you have something underneath it so you can catch the oil when it starts dripping. Alright guys, so here we have them side by side. You can tell right there, this is the one that we took off the car. It's a little orange red, and this one is a much deeper red. So this is what I wanted to begin with. Those cured a lot more than I expected, so I gave these more of a coat, and they came out much deeper red. So These came out amazing. I will be doing a video and tutorial on how to refinish these, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be very helpful for you guys, for those that are trying to refinish your Brembos. Time to put this one on the car. But first, I'm going to put the Brembo sticker. Alright guys, caliper is in finally. That thing is looking absolutely amazing, beautiful. I love the finish now, much better. So I reused all the hardware. I mean, everything's brand new. I just redid this entire thing last summer, so everything's new. I just changed the calipers just to change the color. So everything's in this side. So next I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side and then bleed them, and after you're done with that, that's pretty much it. And then after that I'm gonna move on to this right here. You see the back bumper's coming off a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that with some 3M double-sided tape, and clean the mats inside the car, and I think that's pretty much it. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with the calipers. What's going on, guys? It's the morning of, and here we have the car ready. Last night it got really late and it got dark, so I couldn't show you more footage, but this is the final product right here. I'm actually on my way to the show. I'm very excited for that. I mean, like I said, it's the first show ever for this car, so you guys get to experience it in person, at least some of you. But I'm gonna show you the car right now. I'm gonna do a nice walk around really quickly because I don't want to be late. But here we have the new calipers right here that I had refinished. They came out absolutely great. We go around the car, like the car is refinished with paint correction and ceramic coating, but it looks super good. I cleaned the exhaust tip, looks great. Q300 exhaust, if any of you are wondering. But the interior, the exterior, everything's looking really mint. I'm very excited to show you guys. Super clean. The engine is just as clean, so. But yeah. I will be recording at the show, so don't worry about that. I will be making another video. So stay tuned for that, and if you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, peace.